sa ads, ang ginagawa dyan is you can target the whole world. Dito papasok yung audience segmentation na tinatawag. Kasi we have this low to mid-end, mid-end to high-end to ultra high-end. So, depende sa property mo. So, right now, if you're selling, let's say, SMDC, no? Yan, SMDC
Yes.
property. Sino ba yung mga taong kaya maka-afford niyan? Tingnan mo yung paligid. Ano ba yung mga brand na sinusuot nila? Saan ba sila mostly nag-hangout? Ano sa tingin mo lagi pinag-uusapan nila ng asawa niya? Ano sa tingin mo yung mga trabaho nila? With that pa lang kasi, with that buyer persona, you can have a lot of things to target. At least malalaman mo na, okay, ito pala yung best para dito. Kasi iba dapat yung language mo dun eh. Iba naman yung level of perception nila when it comes to marketing. Kasi for instance, sa low end, they're very, very fan of, syempre, pag mga row house natin, they're fan of promos, discounts, giveaways.
Gandang idea yan.
Oo. Yun yung palagi may free TV, no? May free microwave, may mga ganun, nakikita ka pa, free vouchers. Pag umipat ka na sa middle end, iba naman yung gusto ng mga tao doon, more on features naman, and konting discounts. So, doon na consider na yung location, yung amenities inside the area.
Yes.
And also, syempre, kung ano ba yung being on that property. Now, going back to high-end naman, mas iba na namang level yun. Doon sa kanila naman, they don't care about discounts.
Yes.
They don't care about giveaways kasi mayaman ako eh. And most of the time, what's worked with them is privilege.
Yes.
Oo, yun talaga. So, dapat ma-assess mo kung ano ba yung level ng property na binebenta mo. Afterwards, you can craft a good language on that. Then, you can set up it on ads. Kaya, marami nangyayari muna. Bago mo siya i-set up sa ads. Kaya hindi lang siya yung tamang boost lang, then okay na kagad.
Okay.